Good morning, student. Let us see problems in exercise 1.5, question number 3, sub question number 6. If sec inverse of 7x cube minus 5y cube upon 7x cube plus 5y cube is equal to m, then show that d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Let us see this solution. First write down given. Sec inverse of 7x raised to power 3 minus 5y cube upon 7x raised to power 3 plus 5y cube is equal to m. Therefore, 7x cube minus 5y cube upon 7x cube plus 5y cube is equal to sec m, isn't it? Which is a constant. This sec m is constant. We can say which is equal to k. Say therefore 7x cube minus 5y cube is equal to k into bracket 7x cube plus 5y cube, isn't it? Now 7x cube minus 5y cube is equal to 7kx cube plus 5ky cube, isn't it? Now transfer 7k to the left side and this term to the left side and this term to the right side. We get 7x cube minus 7kx cube is equal to 5ky cube plus 5y cube. Here x cube is common, therefore we can write 7 minus 7k into x cube is equal to, here y cube is common, therefore we can write 5k minus plus 5 into y cube, isn't it? Therefore now transfer this term to this. We have 7 minus 7k upon 5k plus 5 into x cube is equal to y cube, isn't it? This is constant. Again, since 7 minus 7k upon 5k plus 5 is equal to constant is equal to a. Say therefore ax cube is equal to y cube, isn't it? Now differentiate with respect to x, a into 3x square is equal to 3y square into dy by dx. Therefore, here we interchange this term. 3y square into dy by dx is equal to, we write 3ax square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 3ax square upon 3y square. 3 get cancelled. Dy by dx is equal to ax square upon y square, isn't it? Now from this implies that a is equal to y cube upon x cube. Therefore, we put the value of a here. Therefore, y cube upon x cube into x square upon y square. This get cancelled, this get cancelled, only y will remain here, x square get cancelled, only x will remain. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, we have only y upon x, isn't it? Dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Thus we have dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Therefore, x into dy by dx is equal to, we have y, isn't it? Now differentiate with respect to x again. Therefore, x constant into derivative of dy by dx with respect to x is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx constant into derivative of x is 1 is equal to derivative of y is dy by dx. Therefore, we have x into d2y by dx square is equal to dy by dx, now minus dy by dx. Therefore, x into d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Therefore, d2y by dx square is equal to 0 upon x. Therefore, d2y by dx square is equal to 0 divided by anything is 0. In this way, we showed d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Hence, showed. In this way, we can solve this sum, isn't it? Let us see problem number 9. If y is equal to sine of m into cos inverse of x, show that 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus m square y is equal to 0. Let us solve this sum. Solution. First, write down given. y is equal to sine of m into cos inverse of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to d dx of sine of m into cos inverse of x, which is equal to dy by dx is equal to derivative of sine is cos of m into cos inverse of x into d dx of m into cos inverse of x. Agreed? Isn't it? Therefore dy by dx is equal to cos of m into cos inverse of x into m into minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square, derivative of cos inverse of x. Now therefore root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus m into cos of m into cos inverse of x. Isn't it? Isn't it? This is our first. Now differentiate with respect to x. Again, root of 1 minus x square constant into derivative of this dy by dx is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is into derivative of d dx of root of 1 minus x square is equal to ddx of m into cos of m cos inverse of x. Agreed? Now here we have root of 1 minus x square d2y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is into, now derivative is 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square into derivative of minus x square is minus 2x is equal to, now differentiate this with respect to x, we get m constant into derivative of cos is minus sine of m cos inverse of x into d dx of m into cos inverse of x into here. Therefore we have root of 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square plus into minus minus 2 get cancelled, x upon root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus m into sine of m into cos inverse of x means y into, isn't it, into derivative of this is m into minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square, isn't it? Therefore, now this goes in multiplication, we get here 1 square root get cancelled, 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus, this goes in multiplication with this, therefore only x into dy by dx will remain, is equal to minus m into m means m square y, isn't it? Now transfer this to the left side, we get 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus m square y is equal to 0, which is our required answer. Hence showed. Here you get confused. We have to multiply this whole by root of 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square means root of 1 minus x square means root get cancelled, 1 minus x square will remain. d2y by dx square as it is into x upon root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus root of 1 minus x square get cancelled, only x dy by dx will remain, is equal to minus m into m square y as it is, isn't it? In this way we can complete this sum. Remaining sum we'll see in coming video. Okay.